Hi everyone, it is your friendly neighborhood realtors, Emily
and Tamara.
We're here in Southwest Florida in Naples, Florida, and we are in a community called Huntington Lakes. It's in a great location. Let's go see it. So as we mentioned, we are in Huntington Lakes, which is in North Naples. Here's the map. This community is very close off of Highway 75, so it's a very quick drive to get to the airport up north in Fort Myers. It is 20 minutes from Naples downtown and about 18 minutes to the closest beach. Foundry Square is nearby, which has plenty of restaurants and shops for you to enjoy. There's also Walmart, there's a Ross, there's Publix. We're in the city, so there's plenty of things to do in this area. We're going to show you inside of a condo that is currently on the market and take you around the amenities. I'm standing right here in front of the clubhouse, so let's go see that first.
The amenities here include a large pool and two smaller pools, a gym, clubhouse. They also have billiards and a sauna here.
We're in the ballroom now where they host events, parties, dinners, dances. They have live music or DJs and several events. And they even have bingo here, which I actually really love.
Here we are now outside of the amenities. There are 4 tennis courts that are all caged in, and this really nice seating area right here that everyone can hang out and eat and observe the games. And just back over here is the bocce court, so let's go and see that.
We're going to show you a condo here that's going for $359. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Come have a look.
So as mentioned outside, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo and has over 1,100 square feet of living space and nearly 1,500 square feet in total. It has a roomy 1-car garage and additional assigned parking.
In the kitchen, it has been updated, which is super nice. We just spoke to the agent before we filmed, and the sellers are going to be upgrading the windows and the sliding glass doors to impact glass at no cost to the buyer. We also heard that the furnishings may even be negotiable depending on the price. A new roof was put in 2018 and the air conditioning has been replaced in 2022. This condo has just been freshly repainted. There is crown molding throughout and plantation shutters, which are really nice.
So we've got a screened-in lanai here and a storage unit just off here. Let me have a look. Wow, it's quite a bit bigger than I expected.
I'm at the back of the condo now, just really enjoying this view. I think it's beautiful. I love the sound of the fountain. Have a look at this beautiful view. Huntington Lakes has a combination of condos and coach homes. The condos here range from 2 to 3 bedrooms. They all have 2 bathrooms, and the price range is approximately between $330,000 and $420,000. Here are the coach homes. They range in price from about $420,000 to the low 500s. They're either 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom or 2 bedrooms and a den and 2 bathrooms. Please don't forget to like this video, share it with others who are thinking about moving to Southwest Florida, and subscribe to our channel to see our other videos.
And don't forget to leave in the comments down below. Let us know what else do you want to see in Southwest Florida. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.